What does this hanger have to do with making the perfect costume replica? Let me explain. This is Neil Patrick Harris playing Dr. Horrible in 2008's Dr. Horrible Sing-Along Vlog. And this is the Chicago Comic and Entertainment Expo, otherwise known as C2E2. And I'm going to it for the first time this year. Even though I have tons of costumes, I would love to be able to be Dr. Horrible there. But that means I need to make that costume. Now, you've seen me make patterns before by covering myself in tape, cutting it off, and laying that flat to make that pattern. But in this case, I have really high quality pictures of the original costume, and I'm going to use those to make my pattern. One of the hardest things you can do is establish scale. I know that style of hanger is 15.5 inches wide, so using Photoshop's ruler tool, I figure out how wide it is in pixels in the image. Then I just divide 15.5 by that number of pixels to figure out how many pixels are in 1 inch. So I take that product and I multiply it by the pixel measurement of any other object in the image in order to get its real size. You do it for the shoulders, you do it for the neck, you do it for the sleeve, and you just rinse and repeat until you get all the measurements you need. So all I had to do was transfer those measurements to some butcher paper, and I have super accurate patterns ready to be transferred to fabric. And I better do it soon because there's less than a week before C2E2.